Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn integers. Already we studied the addition and subtraction of an integer. Now we are going to learn multiplication and division of a integers. Multiplication and division of a integer. So first, rules for multiplying integer. Rules for multiplying integer. Product of two integer is same sign is positive. Product of two same sign is positive. Same sign is positive. Any two integer multiply same sign, we get a value is positive. So plus into plus equal to plus. So product of same sign is positive. The product of two integer with different sign is negative. Product of two integer with different sign is negative. Minus into plus equal to minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. So we get a value is negative. So product of any two integer multiply, we get a value is negative. So plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. So rules for multiplying integer. Product of same sign is positive. Product of different sign is negative. Rule summary for multiplication. Positive into positive equal to positive. Positive into positive equal to positive. Negative into negative equal to positive. Negative into negative equal to positive. Product of same sign is positive. We get the value is positive. Product of two negative integer is multiply. So we get the value is positive. Product of same sign is positive. We get a value is positive. So plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into minus equal to plus. So minus into minus equal to plus. So multiplication of two integers having different sign and two negative integers. So positive into negative equal to negative. Negative into positive is equal to negative. Product of different sign is negative. We get the value is negative. So plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. So recall the multiplication rules. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into minus equal to plus. Product of two integer having opposite sign is negative. Product of two integer having opposite sign is negative. Product of two negative integer is positive. Product of two negative integer is positive. So minus into minus equal to plus. Plus into plus equal to plus. So product of two integer having opposite sign is negative. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Multiplication of integers. Already you know that the multiplication rules. Positive into negative, negative. The commutative property of multiplication allows me the multiply in any order. So any order means any order multiply any order, that means a commutative. So I also that the negative into positive we get the value is negative. So product of same sign is positive equal to positive. We get the value is positive. Product of different sign is negative. We get the value is negative. So let's practice the multiplication. 7 into 3. So product of two different signs are plus 7 into minus 3. So product of two different sign is negative. So product of two different sign is negative. So 7 3 is at 21. We get the value is minus 21. We get the value is minus 21. So product of same sign 4 3 is at 12. So we get the value is 12. Minus 5 into plus 5. So product of same sign. Product of same sign. Same sign is product of different sign, we get the value is negative. Minus and plus equal to minus. So we get the value is 25. 5 5s are 25. So product of same sign. Same sign is positive. Product of same sign is positive. Minus 7 into minus 2. So 7 2s are 12. Minus into minus plus. So plus 14. So product of same sign is positive. So minus 8 into minus 8. 8 8s are 64. So we get the value is 64. So recall the multiplication rule. positive into positive equal to positive, negative into negative equal to positive, positive into negative is equal to negative, negative into positive is equal to negative. Next, let's practice some multiplication. So 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24. So product of two different sign, we get a value is negative, minus 24. 3 twos are 6. Product of same sign is positive, get a value is positive. 3 twos are 6. So 4 fours are 16. Product of two different sign, we get a value is negative, minus 16. Product of same sign is positive, we get a value is 6 plus 6. So 7 sevens are 49. Product of same sign, so same sign we get a value is positive, so plus 49. Dividing rules. So dividing rules for integer. The quotient of two integer with the same sign is positive. The quotient of two integer with the same sign is positive. And divisions are inverse operations. The quotient of two integer with different sign is negative. The quotient of two integer with different sign is negative. So for example, the quotient of two integer with the same sign is positive. Plus divided by plus equal to plus. The quotient of two integer with the same sign. So numerator denominator same sign, we get a value is positive. So the quotient is positive. The quotient of two integer with different sign is negative. So plus divided by minus. Numerator plus and denominator minus, we get a value is negative. The quotient is negative. So plus divided by minus equal to minus. The quotient of two integer with different sign is negative. Rule summary for division. Positive divided by positive, we get a value is positive. Plus divided by plus equal to plus. Negative divided by negative equal to positive. The quotient of same sign is positive, we get a value is positive. So plus divided by plus equal to plus. Minus divided by minus equal to plus. The quotient of different sign is negative. The quotient of two different sign is negative. So plus divided by minus. Minus divided by plus equal to negative. Plus divided by minus equal to negative. Minus divided by plus equal to negative. So it's a practice. 16 divided by minus 12. 16 divided by minus 12. If two integer have the different sign, the quotient is negative. If two integer have the different sign, their quotient is negative. So 8 is 16. So we get a value is minus 8. Minus 42 divided by minus 6. If two integer have the same sign, their quotient is positive. If two integer have the same sign, their quotient is positive. So 7 6 are 42. So minus divided by minus, we get a value is plus. So we get a value is plus 7. So if two integer have a different sign, so we get a value is negative. So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So minus 2, we get a value is minus 2. 40 divided by 8. So if two integer have same sign is quotient is positive. So 40 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. We get a value is plus. The quotient is plus. So same sign is positive. So 20 divided by minus 5. 20 divided by minus 5. If two integers have the different sign, their quotient is negative. So 5 4s are 20. We get a value is negative. So minus 4. So property 1. Closure property. Property 1. Closure property. The product of two integer is always an integer. The product of two integer is always an integer. For any two integer can be multiplied. If any two integer can be multiplied, so take a m and n. M and n can be multiplied. M multiplied by n is an integer. m multiplied by n is an integer. It is a product of two integer is always a integer. Two natural numbers are added or multiplied, we get the values of integer. So product of any two integer is always an integer. For example, 4 3s are 12, which is an integer. So which is an integer. 8 5s are 40. So product of two different sign is negative. We get a value is negative. Minus 40. It is an integer. So my product of same sign is positive. We get a value is positive. So 7 5s are 35. It is an integer. So it is a closed under multiplication. This property closed under multiplication. So next one is a commutative property. So commutative property, for any two integers multiply. For example, m and n, we have m multiplied by n equal to n multiply n. So both the terms are equal. For any two integer, so we have multiply. For any integer to have, we have multiply. So m into n equal to n into m. So multiplying in a multiplication. Multiplicand in a multiplication. The order of multiplicand in a multiplication sum doesn't matter. For any integer, m and n multiply m cross n equal to n divided n multiplied by n. N multiplied by n. So both the terms are equal. So it is under multiplication property. A commutative property, it is under a multiplication properties. So 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So product of different sign is negative. We get a value is negative. So minus 21. So second one, right hand side. So minus 3 into 7. Minus 3 into 7. So product of different sign, we get a value is negative. 7 3s are 21. Minus 21. So both the terms are equal. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So another example, minus 5 into minus 8. So 5 8s are 40. So left hand is proved and right hand side also 40. It is both the terms are equal. It is a closed under commutative property. It is a multiplication properties. So m cross n equal to n cross n. It is a multiplication of integer is commutative. So property 3, associative property. So multiplication of integer is associative. For any three integers, a, b, c. So for any three integer a, b, c, we have a cross bracket b cross c equal to bracket a cross b into c. So both the terms are equal. The product of remains unchanged if the order in which multiplication of 3 or more number is performed. 3 or more number is performed is changed. So 3 or more numbers are multiplied. We can multiply. Both the terms are equal. Left hand side and right hand sides are equal. For example, minus 3 closed bracket 4 into minus 5. So first take a left hand side. So first we complete the closed bracket. So product of different sign, we get a value is negative. So 4 5s are 20. So minus 3 into minus 20. Product of same sign, we get a value is positive. 3 20s are 60. So left hand side is proved. So another right hand side. So closed bracket minus 3 into 4 into minus 5. So product of two different sign is negative. 3 4s are 12. So we get a value is minus 12. So minus 12 into minus 5. Product of same sign is positive. We get a value is positive. So minus into minus plus 12 5s are 60. We get a value is plus 60. So both the terms are equal. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So associative property and closed under multiplication. It is applicable for the properties of multiplication rules. So minus into closed bracket minus 3 into minus 5. First we complete the closed bracket. So product of same sign is positive. We get the value is positive. 3 5s are 15. So product of two different sign is negative. We get a value is negative. 2 15s are 30. We get a value is minus 30. So left hand sides are equal, and left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Both the terms are equal. It is a closed and multiplication property. It is applicable for the properties of multiplications. Next one, distributive of multiplication over addition of property. Distributive of multiplication, distributive of multiplication over addition property. The multiplication of integer is distributive over addition. That is for any three integer A, B, C. A is multiplied by B plus C. A is multiplied by B plus B. A cross B plus A cross C. A cross B plus A cross C. For any integer A, B, C. So for any integer A, B, C, multiply A into B plus B equal to A plus D plus A into B plus A into C. A is a distributive of multiplication over addition. A is a distributive of multiplication over addition. A is multiplied by B plus C. So similarly things also apply the subtraction rules. So A into B plus C equal to A cross B plus A cross C. So A is a distributive of multiplication over addition. A is a distributive of multiplication over addition. So minus 3 closed bracket minus 5 plus 2. So A is 3. A is multiplied by B plus C. So 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So 5 plus 2. So minus 5 plus 2. So first we subtract another one. You put the greatest number, simple, minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 3. So product of same sign is positive. We get product of same sign is negative. We get a value is positive. So minus 3 into minus 3. 3 3s are 9. We get a value is positive. So another one, A cross B plus A cross C. So A is a distributive. So A cross B plus A cross C. So minus 3 into minus 5 plus minus 3 into 2. So product of same sign, we get a value is positive. 3 5s are 15 minus 3 2s are 6. So 15 subtracted by 6. So we get a value is 9. So both the values are equal. Another example, 4 into minus 2 plus minus 4 3. So A is a distributive of multiplication over addition. So 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus minus 3. So first same sign. So add and put minus symbol. Minus 2 plus minus 3. First just we add. So 2 plus 3. 5. So add and put minus symbol. Minus 5. So minus 4 into minus 5. So product of same sign is positive. We get a value is positive. 4 5s are 20. So equal to 20. Minus 4 into minus 2. So A is a distributive of multiplication over addition. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus minus 4 into minus 3. So product of same sign is same sign. We get a value is positive. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 12. So 8 plus 12 equal to 20. Both the terms are equal. So similar things also apply for the subtraction. We get a values equal. Both the terms are equal. Property 5. Existence of multiplicative identity property. For every integer A, we have A cross 1 equal to A, 1 cross A equal to A, 1 cross A equal to A. The identity element for multiplication of integer is 1. So any integer multiplied by 1, we get the value is same integer. We get a value is a same integer. So for example 27 into 1 we get a value is 27. So 27 into 1 equal to 27 equal to 1 into 27. We get a value is same integer. The integer 1 is called the multiplicative identity for integer. Multiplicative identity. 1 is a multiplicative identity. So any integer 1 is multiplied by any integer, we get a value is a same integer. That is called a multiplicative identity property. So then property 6, existence of multiplicative identity property. For any integer a, we have a cross 0. So 0 is a multiplicative identity property. Multiplicative identity property. For any integer 0 is multiplied by any integer, we get a value is 0. We get a value is 0. So for any integer multiplied by 0, we get a value is 0. A into 0 equal to 0. 0 into a. So for example 27 into 0 equal to 0. 0 into 27 equal to 0. For example m into 0 equal to 0. 0 into y equal to 0. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.